Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel DevInshal. Like previously we have done many of the apps related to Java and I hope you all enjoy that. So today also we will be doing app of Java and I hope you'll be enjoying this video. Also in today's video we'll be seeing how we can build an amazing UI front-end app using Java and I hope you'll be understanding this app. This app should be related to pharmacy and it should be UI app and I hope you'll be enjoying that. So remember to see this. So now we'll be starting with our video. So, like I've telling you, we will be just building this amazing TVS pharmacy app, and in the demo, I've also telling you we will be building a pharmacy related app using Java. And you can see this is our app which we are building. First of all, you can see we are getting one search box and the heading of our app what we are building. Then at the down we are getting some of the delivery options and find out now then the pharmacy option. Then we are getting deals and report second clinic, shop, photo, weekly ad, and some of the footer sections things you can say here we are getting now this amazing TV TVS pharmacy app can work on PC and laptop also. And if I show you in mobile, so it will be looking awesome because obviously it is a mobile app, so it will be looking awesome in mobile. So if I show you here, you can see this is our app here which we are building, and it is totally amazing. So here, if I show you by doing it back, so you can see this is our app here which we are building and it will be looking so much awesome. You can see this is our app here. So we are building this app with using you can say Java, and you can see here it is looking awesome. You can see it is totally responsive here. You can see all the things has been responsive here. And if I hit refresh here, you can see one interface is showing here TVS pharmacy, and then we are getting our app here. So this is our app here which is looking awesome, and we are building it using Java, and this is totally responsive app here, and we are building this app using Java, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video also like you enjoying all the previous videos. So remember to subscribe on my channel if you're new here, and also share this video with your friends and members so they can learn about these things which we are doing using Java. And I will be bringing up more tutorials and more apps using Java on this channel, and this channel will be of apps, and whole week I will be uploading videos. Then we will be uploading 3 days in a week videos on this channel because uh, I will be just uploading videos, then that should be really helpful. So remember to see this video also because that this video will be giving you help. This is our UI app. We are not adding anything, just styling and the HTML work. So we are working with that. So now we'll be seeing how we can build this amazing app using Java. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how we can build this amazing app. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building an amazing app using Java, and I hope you will be understanding and enjoying this video. I've also shown you the demo of this app and we will be building this amazingly. So now we'll be starting and building this app using Java. So just simply I will be opening my text editor, and here I've created already one folder with the name of app in which I've created 3 files. So here I've created one of my browser file, then one my styling file, and third is my Java file. So I've created these 3 files. You have to also create these 3 files. Just create one folder and create these all files. Now here I will be opening this file in my default browser which is on desktop in this app folder. My default browser is Opera. If your default browser is Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, open in that. So I will be closing this folder here. Open your Opera browser from here, and you can see this is totally empty because now we are getting nothing in this. So here I will be doing it half screen because I want at the half screen I will be getting my interface, and at the half screen I will be getting my coding side. So coding side should be bigger. I will be taking it bigger. Now you can see our coding side has been bigger, so I'll be closing this. Now you can see we are getting all these things. So here you can see now this file is totally empty because now we have written nothing. So simply I will be now writing HTML, and here I will be writing title. So you have to cite any title here, and you can write any title related to your topic. I will be writing pharmacy app because we are building a app using related to pharmacy. I'll be saving this, and then you have to reload. You can see we are getting the title of pharmacy app written here. Now when you are getting this thing, just you have to move underneath this body tag here, and here we have to just write some of the things. Just I'll be writing div id splash. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, then create image. Here I will be now moving back, create class here, and then here I will be writing logo. Then I will be moving forward, and here I will be writing some of the images. So here I'll be writing http then I'll be writing I.ibb.co. Then when you've written that, you have to write slash, then write G5JY, then you have to write X and 9. Now when you've written this, you have to write slash logo.png. Now you have to save this. Simply I will be doing some of the zoom out here. Then you have to just do one thing, move down, right here div, then right here class, and here I will be writing the class of content. Now when you've done that, you have to move down here, then write header, and in header I will be writing class which should be of like app header like this. Then move down, here I will be writing div, then you have to write class which should be container. Then you have to move down, here I will be writing image class, and then I will be writing logo. Now when you've done with this, here I will be now moving here, and then I'll be writing https slash, then you have to write I.ibb, then you have to write .co slash g5, and then you have to write JYX and 9, then you have to write slash, then write logo.png. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, write a input tag here, and after writing this input tag, I will be writing class at the back here, and in class I will be writing search, and then move forward, and here I will be writing type text, then erase this name here, and here I will be writing placeholder is equals to, right here search, and here I'll be writing dot. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be moving down, and here I will be writing div class, here you have to write subheader, then move down, here I'll be writing div, and after writing this div you have to write p, then right here now delivering, so here you have to write now delivering rx plus more like this. Now make p tag again here, and after writing this p tag, right here find out now, then you have to write a I tag here, and in this I tag I will be writing a class, so simply you have to make this I tag and close I tag here. Now when you've written this, you have to write a class which should be fa dash chevron like this. Now you have to write dash right, save this. Now we have to use font awesome here. So for using font awesome, I have just already have font awesome here on my desktop. If I just show you here, I will be dragging dropping this file, and here you can see this is my font awesome here which I was just having. So you can use that font awesome here to work with your like things which you want to work. So now when you are getting these things, just you have to do like save this, then when you will be saving this, close this thing and then reload. You can see we are getting all the things here like we needed here. Now when you are getting these all things here, simply I will be doing one thing, like I will be moving here means forward, then after moving here I will be now writing a tag which should be like image, and in image I will be writing https slash I.ibb.co, then you have to write slash, and here I will be writing px ygfw, then write slash delivery dot png. Now here you can see we have written these all things. Move down, and here I'll be writing div class which should be grid, and then I'll be writing container like this. Now move down again, and after moving down, here we have to put some of the things here. So now when you have moved down, here you have to put some of the things, like here I will be now writing grid container, and now when you've written this grid container, you have to write div again, then you have to set class which should be item. Move down, then here I will be writing h4, and after writing this h4 you have to write pharmacy like this. So here I will be doing one thing, I will be writing like this, save this, then you have to just do one thing, move down, write p, then here you have to write class which should be like description. Here you can write any description, like I'll be writing 2r xs ready for refill like this. Then you can see we have written these all things. Here I will be writing image source, then in source I'll be writing https slash I.ibb.co, then you have to write slash, here I'll be writing bkg, then I'll be writing zcc5, then here I'll be writing slash medicine, so here I'll be writing medicine dot png, save this, then you have to reload. So here if I scroll down, you can see we are getting images here, like we are getting one medicine image which you can see here. Now when you are getting these all things, simply you have to do one thing here, like you have to just move down underneath this tag. So here I will be moving down, right here div, and then here I will be doing one thing, I will be copying this thing which is written, and then you have to simply paste it here, and then you have to paste it here also, paste here. Then you have to do one thing, you have to paste it here also. So here we have pasted many times. Now when you've done that, you have to just change its name here. So I will be writing here deals. So write here deals, and then I'll be writing and rewards like this. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be doing one thing, I'll be moving down in paragraph, and here I will be writing to. Then you have to write here traversy. Then you have to write care, traversy care like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write offers expiring. So here I'll be writing expiring. Save this, expiring like this. Now simply you have to move down, and here I will be writing medal.png, and you can see we have written. So here I will be now writing one thing, like I will be changing its URL, and here I will be writing the URL like xy6. Then I'll be writing wtq, then write here 6. Save this, then move down here. Then here I will be now writing another thing, like here I will be writing second. First of all, here I will be writing, so here I'll be writing second clinic like this. Now move down underneath this p tag, and you don't have to write any description here. If you want to write, you can write. Then here I will be moving, and here I'll be writing one tag which will be like f6y. Then you have to write bm. Here I will be writing hw. Now you have to save this, and here I will be now making this, and then I will be changing its name to nurse.png. Save this. So here I'll be writing like this. Save this, then move down here, and after moving down here you have to write shop. So here I'll be writing shop. Then you can just write here description which you want to write. So here I will be now writing the description of like free shipping, and then I will be writing free shipping on orders, and then I'll be writing $25 plus. Now simply you have to change this image name here, and then I will be writing here shop.png. So write here shop.png and change the URL of image, because obviously the image is changed. So here I will be writing 30, then kn, and when you've written this you have to write 9wl. Now you have to save this, and here you have to take this L capital. Now here I will be moving down again, and here I will be writing photo like this. Then you have to move down, and here I will be now changing the description here. So here you don't have to write any description, and then you have to move down, and after moving down here I will be writing the image name perfectly. So here I will be writing gs, then you have to write z t and wf like this. Now you have to write photo.png. So here I'll be writing photo.png. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, paste this thing again. Then here I will be writing one thing again, like here I will be raising this grade which is written here from here, then erase this grade here. So I will be copying this. Okay, now it is done. So now when you've done with this, here you have to erase this grid from here also, then erase from here, and erase from here, then erase from here also, because we have written grid at the top here. Save this, then reload. So if I show you, we are getting all these images like we needed. And now here I will be changing this image name simply. Here I will be now writing weekly ad. So here I'll be writing weekly ad like this. Then you have to move down, here you have to write view your weekly ad. So here I'll be writing view your weekly ad like this. Then move down, and here you have to change the image URL. Here I will be writing n d should be capital, then I'll be writing ndryz8r. Now when you've written this, you have to write here newspaper.png. Here I'll be writing newspaper. Save this, and then you have to reload, and you can see now we are getting these things, and now it is looking good. So when you have just done with this thing, just here I will be now writing footer. So here I will be now simply doing one thing, I will be now moving down underneath these two divs here which we are getting, and after writing that, here I'll be writing footer, and here I will be now writing the footer, and the footer should be like having the class, and here I'll be writing class of like app footer. So here I'll be writing app footer. Now when you've done that, you have to move down here. Then after moving down, I'll be writing ul li. Here I will be writing I in should be class, and in class I will be writing fa dash heart like this. Then you have to just do one thing, you have to move down, and here I'll be writing home, and you can see we have written this thing. So here I will be now doing one thing, I will be moving down here and writing li, then right here I, here I will be writing class, and here I will be writing the class of like fa dash barcode. Then you have to simply do one thing, move down, and here I will be writing show card. Then you have to move down, right here li, then write I, here I'll be writing class which should be fa dash user. Then you have to move down, and here I will be now writing account, and then you have to move down, here I'll be writing li, I tag again, set class here also. Then here I will be writing fa dash map marker like this. Then you have to move down, and here I will be now writing find store, save this, then you have to reload. So if I show you, we are getting all these things perfectly here. Now you have to save this, and now it is done here. So now when you've done with these all things, simply you have to just do one thing here, else you have to move to your css file. And now when you've done that, you have to do another thing like, so now if I show you here, you can see till here we have just done these all things. Now we have to start our style.css, means our styling one. So I will be moving to my style.css file, and then when you've done that, you have to just write a tag here like this, then write root, here I'll be zooming, then you have to write primary dash color, here I will be now writing this tag, then I'll be writing cc 000 like this. Move down, here you have to write secondary dash color, and here I will be now writing 7c, then you have to write 40 here also. Then move down, right here html comma body, then here I will be now writing height which should be 100%. Move down, here I will be now writing this tag, then I'll be writing box sizing border box, and here I will be writing margin which should be 0. Then you have to write padding here 0. Move down, right here body, so when you have written body tag, just write here font family which should be roboto, and then you have to write here comma sans serif. Move down, here I'll be writing display flags, here I'll be writing flags direction which should be column. Then you have to move down, and here I will be now writing one tag here again, like here I will be now writing content, so simply I will be now writing dot content, here I will be now writing flags which should be 10 auto. Then move down, right here dot container, and here I will be now writing width which should be 90%, here I will be now writing margin 0 auto. Then you have to write overflow which should be auto, then right here padding which should be 10 pixel. Then you have to simply move down, and after moving down, here I'll be writing dot app header, here I will be now writing background which should be var, then I'll be writing primary color, so here you have written this. Move down, then you have to write here box shadow, and here I'll be writing 3 pixel, then you have to write 3 pixel 10 pixel, and here I'll be writing this sign, here you have to write 888 like this. Move down, then here I'll be writing app header, then right here dot container, simply move down, right here display, so right here display should be flags, then right here flags direction column, and then move down, here you have to write align items which should be center, then you have to write here justify content which should be center, and then move down, right here padding which should be 15 pixel 10 pixel. Now you can see we have written this, save this, then reload. So here if I just show you at the top, you can see we are just getting here things. So here I'll be moving, then I'll be writing link, right here style.css, save, and then reload. So here you can see now we are getting it styled, you can see, and it is looking good. Now when you are getting these all things here, simply I will be now doing one thing, I'll be moving to my css file again. Then when you are in your css file, just you have to write some of the things here. So here I will be now writing dot app header, then you have to write logo, so right here dot logo, here I will be writing width, and width should be like 170 pixel. Then you have to write here margin bottom, so simply I will be now writing margin bottom which should be 1 rem. Then move down, right here dot app header, then right here input, and here I'll be writing type is equals to text, here you have to move down, and then I will be now writing colon also like this and like this, erase this. And now when you are getting this, move down, here I will be writing padding which should be 7 pixel, then right here border which should be 777, then you have to write width which should be 300 pixel, and then move down, right here border radius which should be 3 pixel. Now move down right here dot subheader, then you have to write here background which should be var, then you have to write here secondary color, then I'll be writing color white. Here I will be writing box shadow which should be 3 pixel, 3 pixel, 10 pixel, and here you have to write 888 like this. Then move down right here font size which should be 14 pixel, right here padding which should be 10 pixel, then width 90%. Here I will be writing margin, and then the margin should be 0 auto 1 rem. Then move down, and here I will be now writing display which should be flex, and here I will be writing align items which should be center. Then here when you've done with this thing, just I will be writing justify content. So here I'll be writing justify content space between. Move down, here you have to write dot subheader, then write here p tag, right here so here I will be now writing p tag, then right here margin which should be 4 pixel. Move down right here dot subheader image, then I will be writing width 40 pixel. Move down right here dot grid, then I'll be writing display. So here I'll be writing display grid, then here I'll be writing grid template columns, then I'll be writing repeat 2. So here I'll be now writing repeat, and here in this I'll be writing 2 comma 1 fr. Move down right here grid gap which will be 10 pixel, then move down right here dot grid dot item. Here I'll be writing display flex, and then when you've written this you have to write flex direction which should be column, then right here border which should be 1 pixel, then I'll be writing triple C. Here I'll be writing solid. Then you have to move down, and here after moving down we have to now write padding and the box shadow here. So here I will be now writing padding 10 pixel, here I'll be writing box shadow, and here I will be writing 1 pixel. So here I will be now writing 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 2 pixel, and here I will be writing triple C. Move down right here dot grade, and here I'll be writing dot item h4, and then I will be now moving down here, and after moving down here I will be now writing margin bottom here also which should be 5 pixel. Then move down right here dot grade dot item, and here I will be writing p tag, then right here font size 14 pixel, create color which should be var, and here I will be now writing secondary color. Now move down, here I'll be writing font weight bold like this, then right here margin bottom. So here I'll be writing margin bottom like this which should be 20 pixels. So here I will be writing, then right here grade, and here I'll be writing dot item image which should be width 30 pixel. Here I'll be writing text align right, then I will be writing display block, and here right here align self which should be flex end. Then move down, and here I'll be writing dot app footer, then you have to move down here, and after moving down here I will be writing flex string which should be 0, right here background, and in background I'll be writing f4 f4 f4. Then move down here, right here color 444, then padding you have to write which should be 10 pixel, create font size which should be 14 pixel, right here margin top which should be 10 pixel. Move down right here dot app footer, then I'll be writing ul, here I'll be writing display flex, then I will be writing align items center, then you have to write here justify content which should be space around. Move down, and here I will be now writing dot app footer, and here I'll be writing ul li, here I will be now writing display which should be flex, then right here align items center. So here I'll be writing, then here I will be now writing like this. Then when you've done that you have to move down, here I'll be writing justify content which should be space around. Move down, then you have to write dot app footer, and here I'll be writing ulli display flex. Then here simply I will be doing one thing, here I will be now erasing this thing because now we have written that. And when you've done that you have to now write here dot app footer, then you have to write here ulli I, here I'll be writing font size 22 pixel. So when you've done with this thing, just now you have to write id of splash. So here I'll be writing splash, then when you've written this thing, just here I will be moving. So here I will be now raising this a from here, then move down, right here position, and here I'll be writing absolute, then right here top 0, then right here left 0, and then background you have to write which should be having var, then right here primary color, then when you've done that you have to write here height which should be 100 vh, then right here width which should be 100%, then right here z index 2, then display which should be flex, so here I'll be writing that, then move down, here I will be now writing flex direction which should be column like this, then I'll be writing align items center, and here I will be writing justify content which should be center, then I will be writing opacity 1, then right here transition which should be opacity, and here I'll be writing 1s, then move down, right here splash, and then I'll be writing image, and here write width which should be 300 pixel, then you have to write here at the rate splash, then I'll be writing dot fade, here I'll be writing opacity 0. Now you have to move down, and after moving down here we have to just write at the rate media, and then I'll be writing min width which should be 768 pixel, here I will be now writing dot grid, and right here grid template, then I'll be writing columns which should be repeat, then I'll be writing 3 comma 1 fr, then you have to move down, right here dot grid, and then here I'll be writing dot item image, then right here width which should be 60 pixels. Now save this, then you have to reload, so you can see now we are getting TVS pharmacy written here. Now when you are getting this, just simply move to your JS file here, and we have to write some of the code in our JS file. Here we have to link this also, so I will be now moving down, right here script tag, then here I will be raising this and then writing source, and in source I will be writing main.js which is my JS file name. Go to your main.js file, right here set timeout, then when you've written this, just take this O2 small, then make this tag here, and now when you've created this, make again, then give gap like right like this, so here I will be moving right like this, then right here like this, then right here document dot get element by id like this, then you have to write here the splash like this. Now when you've written this class splash, then you have to write dot class list here, then right here dot toggle, then make this bracket here in which I'll be writing fade. Now when you've written this, you have to simply do one thing here, you have to move down, and after moving down here I'll be writing comma, then you have to write 2000 here, close this tag here, save this, then reload, and if I reload here, so you can see we are just getting, and our project is now ready, we are getting all our app, you can see here it is totally responsive here, and this was the small UI app which we have built, and we are getting one transition also with the help of Java, you can see this. Here you can see now we are getting one transition, or you can say one animation using Java, and I hope you understand how we have built this amazing TVS pharmacy app using Java. This was a responsive app, and I hope you enjoy this app how we have built, and I hope you enjoy all these things which we have done using this app, and I hope you enjoy this video also. If you have enjoyed and understand, so hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can learn about these amazing things which we are doing with Java, and I will be bringing up Java in future more, because now we are working with Java, and I'll be bringing up more languages and more things which from which we'll be building these amazing apps like today we have built. So I will be meeting you in next video and next project, and it is totally responsive also, you can see this, and here you can see, so I will be meeting you in next project or next video. So for today, goodbye.